enjoying experience over here is called the Amazon rainforest. Said to rain here 375 days out of the year. Almost every single day. Yeah, just in case anybody missed it. Yep, this thing is working. And yes, this is going to be a long trip. Alright guys, I am Skipper Troy of the Aves Raras. I will be your skipper for as far as we can get. So for your safety, please remain fully seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Because only a crazy person would stand in a moving boat. Oh, I'm watching you guys. Alright guys, so parents, please watch your children. Children, please watch your parents. I don't want to. Alright guys, right over here on the right side, this is the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where the famous archaeologist, Indiana Jones, is looking for the greatest gift. I don't know why he's looking over there. I'm standing right here. Yeah. Alright guys, this right here is a Himalayan tiger. You can tell because sometimes Himalayan over here. Sometimes Himalayan over there. Right now, him is standing, and we should leave. Yeah, we should definitely leave. Alright guys, be careful on the left side of the boat right here. That's Ginger. She snaps. She's one tough cookie. Oh, that's a statue of an elephant looking for their contact lens. Yeah, it's a sign we're going to see some elephants. Oh, because look up ahead, the comedic timing. Oh my gosh, the whole herd's here. Pretty unheard of, am I right? Yeah, they all got their trunks on. If you want to take pictures, go ahead. If they didn't, that would be kind of embarrassing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Okay, so this is Bertha. Say hi, Bertha. Did you guys know that Bertha's been in the shower for almost 70 years? Oh my gosh. See what happens when you take a long shower? You turn into an elephant, yeah. You know, that almost happened to me once. I'm just kidding, I don't shower. Hi, Squirt, how's it going? Oh, we're gonna be nice today? No, we're not. Alright guys, go ahead, duck. Especially the one in their Hercules shirt. Oh, just kidding. Try humor, don't worry. Oh, well, that looks dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh no. They're intense. No, literally, they're intense. Oh my gosh. Look at what it did in my Jeep. They left the lights on. Now I'm never gonna get it to turn over. What a shame. Alright, everybody. If you look on the left-hand side right here past that bamboo, you will see absolutely nothing. Made you look, though. Anybody here wearing yellow? Oh, I see some yellow. He finds it appealing. Yeah. Alright, guys. You know what they say. Let's make like a banana and turn right. Yeah, because we don't want to turn wrong. Alright, guys. Right over there was Schweitzer Falls. Named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company back in 1911. Albert Falls. But don't worry, guys. We're going to go over that later. Alright, up ahead is the Nile River. Some say it goes on for Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, then you're in a boat. Yes, you guys are in a boat, actually. This right here is Bobo. Go ahead and speak, Bobo. Now in French. Now in sign language. Wow. He's getting better and better every single day. You know what he said? Denial. Yeah. Alright guys, we are approaching the African Veldt. Did you know that the African Veldt holds up the African pants? Yeah, the more you know. Alright everyone, I'm going to point out some of the wildlife over here. We got some stripy horsies, some bearded horsies, some sun-dried chickens, and oh look, a sleepy horsey! Oh my gosh, they look dead. Tired. Yeah, dead tired. Yeah, we should definitely let them rest in pieces, am I right? Oh my gosh. Skipper Felix! I keep telling you not to mess with the rhinos! But what a rhino. Yeah. Hey, it could be worse, bud. You could be a sleepy horsey. Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah, look. There's two of them. Yeah, you don't see that every day. Oh gosh. I do. Yeah, I do. Alright guys, so funny story. Remember when I told you guys I wasn't gonna put you in danger? Yeah, I took a wrong turn into the dangerous hippo pool. They said it's only dangerous if they're wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. I'm not trying to scare them off, so go ahead and cover those ears. Well, that didn't work. I'm going to try to shoo them off, okay? Shoo! 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 Wow, look at that. I'm a trained professional. You're welcome. I just saved your lives. Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll be here all night. Thank you, thank you. You know, I was having a conversation with someone the other day. They said my job was so easy, a monkey could do it. Imagine that, a monkey driving a boat, telling jokes with a microphone. What you guys looking at? Oh, that's embarrassing for them, because those are chips. Yeah, I tell you the difference, but it's a long tail. Yeah. Anybody ever in the market for a boat? Come on. Wait, I got one more. It's a chimp wreck. Hey, I told you guys it was going to be a long trip. Oh my gosh, look at these two right here. Nothing bugs them. Aww, they still give each other butterflies though. Aww. You know butterflies aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. Yeah, did it bug you too? Yeah, it bugs me. Alright everybody, we are coming up on the 8th wonder of the world. The amazing, the stupendous, the pause for dramatic effect. The backside of the water. And that's a rock up ahead. Yeah, just up ahead. Did you guys know that that's actually one of our boulder attractions? Yeah, my sentiments exactly. Thank you to the 3 people that got that joke. Thank you. Alright guys, this is my favorite part of the trip. I get to point out my favorite trees. Oh, that's a python sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love. Then comes a really constricting relationship that I don't want to get wrapped up in. No thank you. Alright guys, we saw a bunch of things. We missed a couple things. But one thing we did not miss on the way out. The gift shop. Yeah. Oh, it looks like Trader Sam is out getting supplies. Yeah, you'd be surprised how many people leave unintended strollers. Oh, God. Oh, would you be surprised that we don't pay the monkey right here? They're doing it for the exposure. Thank you, thank you. And the 2 on the top, they're setting a sales record. And if 2 can't believe it, that is not a toucan. Yeah. All right, everybody, you have survived the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Give yourself a round of applause. Yeah, you guys have been so outstanding, and in a moment, you'll be outstanding somewhere else. Yeah. All right, guys, please remain fully seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. We don't want you getting caught up in any peer pressure up ahead. It's not fun. Yeah, it's not fun. All right, guys, if you look on the left side right there, that is a dock. Ooh. If you look on the right side, that is also a dock. Ah. Yeah, you know what we like to call that? A paradox. Yeah. Hey, if you thought that was confusing, maybe you were a little weird. Look across the street. That's real bizarre. To anybody that didn't get that joke, there's a store called Bizarre. Yeah. I never said it was a good joke. If you look on the left, or the right over there, that's a pair of dorks. Yeah, don't tell them I said that.